Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sliding Dash. This powerful movement ability in Kingdom Hearts 2 allows Sora to quickly traverse the environment and skillfully dodge enemy attacks. It's a fundamental technique for both exploration and combat, providing a significant advantage. You'll find it invaluable for closing distances to foes or creating space when overwhelmed. Mastering this dash will greatly enhance your gameplay experience, making battles smoother and more dynamic. To unlock Sliding Dash, you generally need to reach level 15 with Sora. Upon reaching this level, the ability becomes available for you to equip. Another way to gain this skill is by equipping the Follow the Wind Keyblade, which grants it as an auto ability. Remember to navigate to your abilities menu and ensure you have sufficient ability points, or app, to activate it. Once equipped, you are ready to incorporate this swift movement into your strategy. Executing the Sliding Dash is quite straightforward. While moving in any direction, simply press the square button on your controller. Sora will then perform a rapid, short-distance slide, covering ground almost instantly. This action is perfect for quickly repositioning yourself during intense combat or for traversing small gaps. Be aware that there is a very brief cooldown period after each dash, so time your movements strategically for maximum effectiveness in battle. Sliding Dash offers numerous strategic advantages in Kingdom Hearts 2. You can use it to rapidly close the distance to a faraway enemy, initiating an attack before they can react. It's also incredibly effective for dodging incoming enemy attacks, spells, or projectiles, keeping Sora safe from harm. Furthermore, try combining a dash with a jump to achieve greater aerial mobility, reaching higher platforms, or extending your jumps. This versatility makes it a core part of any successful combat and exploration strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.